Oh, hi. David Bradley here in the pool room. Really hoping that something here looks good. See, the whole thing is I'm working with things I'm pretty certain of, but not completely certain of. So it's so much nicer when I know I have something that's working that then I stick a chip into, and then I tell right away, is that working? Is that not working? What's wrong? And I have things here that should be okay. I don't know for sure. And then, of course, I'm sticking RAM chips in two sockets, and these have already been unsoldered at one point, which means they can be kind of sharper and nastier to the sockets. They can. They can. Ow, ow, and the board is sharp. Connections under the board are sharp. Anyway, okay, that RAM chip seems to go in well. It's in the right configuration. I would really like to have a little success here. Okay, so we've ended up pulling out both screen RAM chips, putting in two sockets. That's what you do. There they are. They're in. They're in the right configuration. They're 2114 chips. Oh, you know what? The thing of it is, even if it's not right, even if it doesn't work, ugh, glasses off. I want it to be different. It gives me a bit of a hint, at least. I mean, I really like this. When I connect the power and I connect the monitor and I look around and I say, okay, we're ready. I really want it to come up and not be full of crap. And it's probably going to be full of crap. And it is. It's full of crap. That is annoying. Very, 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 very annoying. Because, well, I think these RAM chips are good. I really haven't had a chance to retest them in something else after they've been sitting around for a while. RAM chips are a funny breed of things. They are. They are indeed. This one got bent. Oh, it's not getting much better. I'm gently trying. You got a little leeway with. Oh, there, it broke off. Got a little leeway until you don't. Damn it. That all right. Just because I'm here and I can, I'm gonna pop this chip out. One chip. Oh, even it doesn't. It's just only been in here for a moment, and it's giving me a hard time. That's the thing about freshly desoldered things. They can be a pain. All right, well, I'll try this one. I don't think it's going to make any difference at all. So it's not getting lined up nicely. It is not. All right. Get you lined up. Get you nicely inserted. They're both in the right way. This is probably going to make no difference at all. Kaboom. Another screen full of crap. So, was it ever any of these? I just don't know. All right. This is frustrating. So, because I can. Here, I'm getting kind of irked. This turned off. Pop out 6502 here. I'm going to put in the diagnostics. It's still not going to tell me anything of worth. I'll put it in and turn it on. And it's going to show me a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo that makes it look like it's screen RAM. It is. And you know what? By this time, it's possible that all of these RAM chips have gone squirrely. But once again, I don't know about the rest of the chips in here. I really don't. Because I don't have like a test pet with good chips that is working. I really don't. So it is frustrating. It is. Suppose there's something else I could do here. See, things are kind of looking like they're doing something. I'm going to pop out the 6520s. Going to reverse them. See anything changes. I don't think it will. But you never know. You're always dealing with the unknown. I think this is going to be just the same. Well, hard to say. It looks maybe a little different. Yeah, it does. It's still kind of going through stuff. But it ain't right. It ain't right. Ah! So it's doing things. But I am not pleased. Because while it's doing, oh, well, you know, oh, there's something I could do here. Although, I don't think it's going to make any, but who knows? Who knows? All right, I'm going to turn this one on. Watch it come up. It'll be absolutely gloriously perfect. And it is. All right, well, I have pulled the character ROM. And I'm in the process of trying to pull the character ROM. Why? Because it's in a socket. I can. It's not being very easy. It is not. I'm going to get a little bit of a twist on it. Because this too, it is possible. Now, I'm not going to put that in the other pet over here. I'm going to put this one that was in this pet into this pet that I know was moments ago. Give me a hard time, Chip. Moments ago, this was working. Is it still working? Please say no. Please say no. Fine. It's just fine. See, the other thing with this one, not as it is, as it was, as it can be, I can't see what it's telling me in the diagnostics about things because I can't see. So it may be telling me there's RAM trouble. It may be telling me all kinds of things that would be helpful. But I can't see. Oh, God. And do I know for sure any of these RAM chips are good? Well, not at the moment, no. I mean, they were. So let's just change this character on out. See if it makes any difference at all in here. And now it's almost like there's a bunch of crap at the top of the screen. And then there's other stuff that isn't quite so crappy and random and such. Once again, I don't even know if the other big chips in here are good. I really don't. I just don't know. Anyway, my level of frustration is building. So there comes a time when you say, you know what? It's time to walk away and see what else I can do to check things. But what it may mean, and I hate it. I hate the thought of it. I really don't want to start unsoldering a whole bunch of things from another machine. It doesn't need to be. I had one I sent away with Rudy, everything socketed. It was beautiful. It was the other BBS pad. And now I know he's having trouble with it. So, alright. I'm not going to leave this to run because it's not going to get any better. Alright. Enough. I must take a break. Thank you for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.